Friends, if you are looking for weekend business ideas like Saturday, Sunday for working people, or ideas to earn extra income with work, then this video is for you. In today's time, it does not seem safe to depend on just one salary. Inflation is increasing, expenses are not standing still, and savings are decreasing. And the good news is that you can earn an additional income by dedicating even 1 or 2 days on the weekend to it. Yes, you can create an additional source of income by dedicating 3 to 5 hours or even the whole day on Saturdays and Sundays. Moreover, you can manage them along with work. And the good thing is that this model typically requires lower initial capital compared to manufacturing setups. So in today's video, we are going to tell you 10 practical weekend business ideas that working professionals can start easily, step by step, and realistically. So don't miss watching this video till the end. And if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your friends. So come on, let's watch. Hi friends, and welcome to New Business Ideas. Number 1. Weekend food truck business. If you love cooking, a weekend food truck business can be a strong option. Yes, you can set up food truck stalls in parks, beaches, or busy areas on Saturdays and Sundays. Also, fast food, tea, snacks, or local specialties will work well in high traffic areas. So start with a small menu first and focus on the taste. Street food often sees high demand, and weekends typically show increased footfall for dining out. So if you find the right place, you can get a good response on weekends. Number 2. Personalized gift making. Mostly birthdays, anniversaries, and small events happen every week. So you can make photo frames, name gifts, and small hampers on these weekends. And you can get orders through Instagram and WhatsApp statuses. So get orders on weekdays and deliver on Sundays. Furthermore, the investment will depend on your product, and the market has the potential to grow as people prefer gifts with a personal touch over simple mass-produced products. Number 3. Plant nursery or terrace gardening sales. Especially after the pandemic, people are more interested in growing plants in their homes. So you can arrange a small nursery unit during the weekdays or grow plants on your terrace and sell them, especially at Saturdays and Sundays at local markets or apartment groups. The investments will depend on the size, so start off slowly and gradually increase the variety. The gardening trend is growing and demand appears stable in many cities. Number 4. Car wash service in apartments. Nowadays, almost every household in big cities has a car, and working people do not have time to wash their cars. Therefore, you can provide car washing services by going door to door in apartments on Saturday and Sunday mornings. For this, all you need is basic tools and water supply. Even washing 5 to 10 cars a day can generate a decent side income, depending on your pricing and local demand. And this can be a good opportunity in areas where gated communities are increasing, and you can build regular customers among the people there. Number 5. Baking and weekend cake orders. Weekends are often the busiest time for parties, birthdays, and weddings, and custom cakes are used a lot there. In this situation, if you know how to bake, making custom cakes at home is a great option. Also, Saturday and Sunday delivery may be convenient for you. The demand for custom cakes is high, and there is often a market segment that values fresh, homemade cakes over factory-made alternatives. However, start small and gradually build up your clientele. Number 6. Mobile repair service. Every household has a smartphone, and it is common for it to break down. So you can learn basic mobile repair courses and handle minor repair jobs on weekends or during your free time on weekdays. Since phones are a daily use item, people prefer repairs over buying new ones. So mobile repair services usually receive constant inquiries. So initially start with small jobs like screen replacement and battery replacement, and then gradually expand. Number 7. Digital printing and t-shirt printing. Today there is a growing craze for customized t-shirts and mugs among the youth, especially in colleges and small events, where there is a high demand for customized t-shirts and printed people. So you can take the designs online and print them on a small t-shirt and mug printing machine and supply them. Although there will be investments depending on the setup of the printing machine, this is a good option for creative people. The market is growing steadily due to college students and small events. Number 8. Pickle and masala making. Homemade pickles and masalas have a unique taste and are always liked by people. So you can produce it in small quantities on weekends and distribute locally. Mainly FSSAI registration is important, and after getting it you can scale up. The investments will depend on the type of pickles and masalas you want to make. Also, people are looking for chemical-free products, so current market trends suggest growing interest in this sector. Number 9. Photography for small events. Not just pre-wedding or big events. There is a huge demand for small birthday and home party photography these days. So you can shoot 1 or 2 events in a week. Also, if you have a camera, the investment is minimal. Otherwise, it will cost a certain amount. Also, in today's social media era, everyone needs photos and reels. So the market has potential to grow, although it depends on your location. Number 10. Resale business from wholesale market. Friends, you can buy items at a wholesale market on Fridays or during the weekdays and sell them to local groups on Saturdays and Sundays. Also today, there are many online platforms that offer wholesale clothing, household items and small gadgets. So identify popular items and start with small quantities to reduce risk. Today, e-commerce is growing as people prefer to shop from home, so sell online through social media. Friends, a weekend business is not about thinking small. It is a seed that with the right execution, this model has scalability potential. And before you get involved, make sure to do your local market research. Understand the land and permit requirements and consider government incentives. And then start small and grow gradually. If you want to try building a side income while working, choose one of these ideas that you are familiar with or have practiced well and work on it. Also, let us know in the comments which weekend business you would like to start. All the businesses listed above are part of the industry. So if you want more information about these businesses, please check our website and the link in the video description. We hope this video will help you in initiating your own business. Thanks for watching, friends. Subscribe for more exciting business ideas and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends. See you in the next video.